Hi everyone, this is Manvi Singh. I am a law student of IME Law College and I am a legal intern in Lexis and Company. So the topic is e-court pressing priorities in COVID situation. Debilance or any pandemic can't be handled, yet one can arm themselves with it information of and red lines. The pandemic of COVID-19 has seriously influenced the working of different businesses exercises across the globe. It has without a doubt caused financially downturn at different calamities and in the health and industrial sector. It has made a worldwide pain in every one of the circle of life, and the legal frame is likewise not exception for this. Unlikely one only a couple of months prior, the vision of virtual courts in India no longer appears to venture some. The COVID-19 instigated lockdown of courts has given a kind of the potential that innovation hold to address a key concern admittance to the legal frame, and accordingly equity it has been where the legal framework, and accordingly equity it has where the legal framework the country over the close. No hearing are being directly aside from the most appropriate ones. A few countries like Indonesia, Malaysia, and the United Kingdoms, Singapore, numerous other have been begin changes to online hearing and preliminaries, and it will be sensible accepted that India wouldn't be lingering behind. The interpretation brought about by the pandemic basically forces us to move from a hammer to a tick. In India, eventually the crime percentage has dropped, and it very may be the most ideal opportunity to clear at any rate an impressive emulation of cases. The lockdown will just expand the difference in equity. Liberation and one push toward the virtual become aware of cases with a battle this postponement. Now the question is, what do you mean by the virtue court? As the name recommended, virtue court, the court that utilize a distance working framework with the assistance of different program and apertures. It main aims to wipe out the necessity of human presence in the court, so that the setting of cases does not get postponed because in accessibility of the defendant of the plaintiff to the court of the staff. The site has versatile application are not different from the being of programming that is utilized for the computerization of a general set of law. India is moving forward for fulfillment of framework. Now the another one subheading is arrangement of virtual court among different countries. Court everywhere on the world are exchanging toward virtual court with the assistance of different innovations, improvement being made. Court in Texas have likewise begun to hear criminal cases and proceed with the legal procedure by mean of video conferencing, so the prisoner do not need to be present to the court. The investigation and anticipate the extent of the virtual in India, we ought to likewise notice the term of event and the status of these court in the different nation. This will assist us with understand that will be the issue raised by the execution of web courts in India, and how could such issues be settled. Another one subheading is virtual court in India. On 26 July 2019, Delhi's first virtual court was dispatched at the Hazari Court. From that point onwards, on 17th August 2019, the Punjab and Haryana High Court presented the virtual court at Faridabad, in which the court bargains in the rush hours grey-logged challan instances of Haryana. The undertaking with dispatched by the direction of the E-Board or trustees of the Supreme Court of India. Now the E-Court projects the venture was dispatched based on the public policies and action plan for the implementation of Information and Communication Technology (ICT) and in India Judiciary 2005, which was prevented by the E-Board of the SC India. The vision behind this arrangement to acquire mechanically progression the working codes. So there are two stages. First one is of the tasks which began in 2017. The fundamental point was to start the execution of ICT, information and communication technology, in the legal framework, and the second one stage is was authorized with the assistance and collaboration of the E-Court, NIC and DOJ, means Department of Justice, and DITE and the Ministry of Finance. So guys, this now the conclusion of this topic. In the wake of dissecting everything in an exhaustive way, we can guarantee of the way that yes, every emergency brings another changes, changes to create and red signs ourselves, changes to make ourselves in sustainably to issues and deterrents which may comes in our matter later on. So guys, this was all about this topic. Thank you so much listening me. Like, comment and share.